6 jumps to his spine. Top of the board at 29.0. 6 jumps tonight's event will be completed in competition. But again, we're going to have a little bit of fun afterward. We call it a thank you run. Anytime we get a good crowd, the guys give me a thumbs up. And we have a little bit of a play session for a couple minutes. And then, of course, following that, we will have the autograph tables open up. All the writers will come on over. And the merch table is open as well. Posters and t-shirts. Now, this man's trying to get mind and machine working as one. I'm going to turn it over to you folks out there. You've seen him get crazy so far, so get him fired up! On backflips. He is in a very elite league on this planet, folks, and he's giving it to you tonight. I love his style. I can't say it enough. This man is throwing down. This guy will flip anything with an engine on him. Last winter at the X Games, he was flipping snowmobiles. He is not holding back. 4 more jumps. Flip. Takes the body to the side. Disco shots it. That is a sick trick. He's the only rider I've ever seen throw that bad boy down. Keep it rolling, folks. Three more jumps.